A very good morning to all the parents and my dear students. Once again, a warm welcome to the online classes of Erudite School of Learning Fatehnagar. Class Junior KG, subject Maths. Hello students, how are you? You are fine. Good. So today we will do the revision, okay? Number names we have learned 34, right? So today we will do revision, okay? आज हम क्या करेंगे? Revision करेंगे. So now take out your pencil. Take out your pencils and eraser. Good. So now I want you to repeat with me, okay? आपको क्या करना है? मेरे साथ repeat करना है. What number is this? 3, 4, 34. Good. Now what is the spelling? T H I R T Y. 30. Now what's the spelling of 4? F O U R 4. 34. Okay. Now again repeat. 3, 4, 34. What's the spelling of 34? Tell me what's the spelling of 34? T H I R T Y. 30. Now what's the spelling of 4? F O U R 4. 34. Good. Now again repeat. 3, 4, 34. Repeat with me. T H I R T Y. 30. Now spell out the spelling of 4. F O U R 4. 34. Very good. Again repeat with me. 3, 4, 34. Spell out the spelling. T H I R T Y. 30. Now what's the spelling of 4? 4 की क्या spelling होता है? F O U R 4. Very good. Again repeat. 3, 4, 34. T H I R T Y 30 F O U R 4. See, today what we have learned? Today we have done the revisions of 34, right? आज हमने 34 के revision learn किया है. So in your homework what you will do? Homework में आपको क्या करना है? You have to practice, okay? You have to practice the number names of 34, okay? आपको practice करना है घर पे. After that you have to click a picture and send it to the school WhatsApp number, okay? फिर उसके बाद आपको क्या करना है? पिक्चर क्लिक करके आपको स्कूल की जो व्हाट्सएप नंबर है आपको उसमें सेंड करना है, ओके? टिल देन, थैंक यू एंड टेक केयर.